How's it going? I'm here for day 160 of Fergus Tune a Day. Just back from Oban Live, great festival in Scotland, and big thanks to the Skerryvore lads for a great time there. And we were down visiting some lovely friends in Wexford, Anya and Tom. So I found a tune called Anya's Invitation Reel, and it is a Paddy Donoghue tune, flute player from County Clare. So I will give it a rattle, Anya's Invitation. Thanks, Anya, for the lovely invitation, and Tom as well, of course. But I don't have a tune for Tom. Lovely. See you tomorrow for 161.